Good morning to our beloved lecturer and friends. We would like to thank you, our lecturer, for giving us the opportunity to be here. Before we begin, allow me to introduce ourselves. I am Dia Rahman and my metric number is 01DIB20F2017, and on my left, Shahid, and his metric number is 01DIB20F2007. Well, today we are going to talk about 6 ways how to appreciate what we have. Allow me to define our roles. I will talk about 3 points, which is stop comparing yourself to others, and then don't be greedy. And the third one is let go of hatred and negativity. While my partner will talk about other 3 points, which is appreciate every little thing in life and use what we have correctly, and the third one is focus on your faith and belief. Dear friends, my first point is stop comparing yourself to the others. When you compare yourself to somebody else, you will not really focus on yourself. All you think is why are not you like them, and not seeing the result compared to them. You never know what their life is about, what they are dealing with, and the hidden battles they face. So don't expect your life to be the same as them. We face different tests in life. I have just discussed my first point, which is stop comparing yourself to others. Dear friends, I shall now move on to the second point, which is do not be greedy. We should feel content about what we have. We should strive hard to earn things, but not greedy. Our greed makes us to do bad things, many bad things, which are not good. Our greed can turn us into a corrupt and dishonest woman beings, and must restrain ourselves from becoming that. Our needs should be limited, and our wishes should be in control. I have just discussed my second point, which is we shouldn't be greedy. Dear friends, I shall now move on to my third point, which is let go of hatred and negativity. Hatred and negativity won't serve you whatsoever. You have to let go of it if you are serious about any semblance of appreciation or happiness in life. Hatred and anger are negative emotions that heavily weigh in the mind. There is no way to appreciate the things we have in life when we are so consumed by the ensuing negative energy created by things like hatred. There is no room for it in your life. Let it go. You don't need to forget, just forgive. I know it's hard, but it's an important step in a maturing process. I have just discussed my third point, which is let go of hatred and negativity. Now, I call upon Shahid to continue our presentation.
Thank you so much, Dia Rahman. So, I will continue with my presentation. So, my name is Muhammad Shahid Ibrahim. My metric number is 01DIB2007. Dear friends, I shall now move on to our fourth main point, that is appreciate every little thing in your life. Appreciating the little thing in life means that you focus your attention on what nurtures and helps you in life, on everything that brings you even the smallest amount of pleasure. It also means practicing gratitude by noticing these everyday things that you take for granted easily. I have just discussed my point, which is appreciate every little thing in your life. Dear friends, I shall now move on to our fifth main point, that is use what we have in the right way. The things that we have can be such as mobile phone and laptop. For example, we can use it for our studies. Using this in the right way also can help to increase our knowledge. This can be proved when we can search our learning material in the Google using mobile phone or laptop. When we use it properly, it will give a good impact, and we will appreciate what we have and our action of using the things we have in the right way. I have just discussed my point, which is use what we have in the right way. Dear friends, I shall now move on to our sixth main point, that is focus on your faith and belief. If you are a firm believer in God, focus on your faith and your belief in that. If you can focus on your belief, you will understand that God doesn't put things into your life that you cannot handle. All of it is meant to serve you, to allow you to grow and mature, and to eventually reach new understanding about life. I have just discussed about focus on your faith and belief. My dear friends, today me and my partner has discussed about 6 ways to appreciate what you have. He had discussed three key points, that is stop comparing yourself to others, don't be greedy, and let go of hatred and negativity. And I had discussed 3 key points, that is appreciate every little things in life, use what we have in the right way, and focus on your faith and belief. My dear friends, let me end our speech by quoting Oprah Winfrey, who said, Be thankful for what you have. You will end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never ever have enough. With that, we end our presentation. Thank you. We would be happy to answer any questions. Thank you so much for your question. Once again, thank you for being such a wonderful audience. It has been a great honor and pleasure for us to be here today. Thank you. Bye-bye.